Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Jotform lead data to Grist account automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So here we are using Jotform, which is a form building software application. So in place of Jotform we can also use Google Forms, Paperform, Typeform or any other form building software application. And the second application we are using is Grist, which is a spreadsheet program. So in place of Grist, we can also use Stackby, Airtable, Google Sheets or any other spreadsheet program. So the idea here is that you are a gym owner and you have created a gym membership form using Jotform. Now you want that whenever any of the customer fills that form, automatically the details of the customer should be added as a new record to your Grist account or your Grist table. For that, we need to create a connection between Jotform and Grist so that whenever the form is filled, automatically the data is added to your Grist table. So in order to create a connection between Jotform and Grist, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using those details, automatically a new record will be created into your Grist account. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Jotform and Grist using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Jotform to Grist Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. Okay, I'll just change the name to Jotform. Okay, and let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to add the Jotform leads data to Grist account automatically. For that, open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Jotform. In the trigger event, we have to select new response. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So let us read the instructions. Open your form in the form builder and click on the settings tab. Go to the integrations, search for webhook and paste the above URL in the add webhook field. So I'll just copy this webhook URL from here. Okay. We will go to the Jotform account. Here I have already created some forms. We are going to use gym membership form over here where I have just 0 submissions. So access the form, I am just going to click on edit form. Here I have taken the basic fields for the gym membership like first name, last name, email address, phone number, address details and the gender details of the customer. So if you want to add some more fields by clicking on this plus sign, add form element, you can add the fields as per your requirement. Okay. Now we have to create an integration between this particular form and Pabbly Connect so that whenever the form is filled, the data is captured in Pabbly Connect. For that, come to the settings tab. Here we can find integrations option, click on it. And here we have to search for the webhooks option. Click on webhooks. Now it is asking to add a webhook. So we have to paste the same webhook over here which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and simply click on complete integration. Integration is ready. Okay, let's click on finish. So here we have set the webhook on the Jotform. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll just take you to the form once again. Here we will be moving to publish option. And here we can find the link to share. So you can share this particular link with your customers to get the form filled, or you can embed the link on your website to capture the leads. Okay. We are going to just open this particular link in a new tab. And here we are going to fill up the details on the name of a customer. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Okay, let's add the phone number, country code for India, that is +91. Let's add the phone number. And let's add the address as E4 235 Arera Colony, 10 number stop, Bhopal. Okay, let's select the gender as male and click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. So the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. The form title was gym membership. When we scroll down, here we can find the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address. Here we can find the country code, the phone number, address details and the gender details. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new record should get created into your Grist account. For that, come to this action window. And here in the choose application, let us find Grist. In the action event, we have to select create record, click on connect, click on add new connection, and now it is asking for the token. Let us read the instructions. Log into your Grist account, navigate to profile settings from the account menu on the top right, create or access your API key. So I'll just take you to my Grist account. So this is my Grist account. Here we'll be moving to the profile. Click on profile settings. Okay, and when we scroll down, here we can find the API key. So I'm just going to copy the API key from here. We will move back to Pabbly Connect and we will be pasting the same API key as a token over here. And let's click on save. Okay, and now the Grist account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the team name and the workspace name. So you have to select your team name and your workspace name over here. It is automatically captured in my case. Now here we have to select the document name. So I'll just take you to my Grist account. Here I have already created a document named Jotform responses. I'm just going to open it. And in this particular document, I have created a table named registered customers, where I have taken the fields for the full name, email address, phone number, address and the gender. If you want to add some more fields, by clicking on this plus sign, you can add the columns as per your requirement or the fields. Okay. So let us select this particular table over here in Pabbly Connect. But before table, we need to select the document name. So the document name was Jotform responses. And the table name is automatically captured just because I have created just one table in this particular document. Okay. And here we have to map the name, email address, phone number. So all the details are required, which we have already received through the Jotform submission. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay. We are going to map it over here one by one. Let's map the name from Jotform. And the name was Adam. And along with the name, I am just going to map the last name also. And the last name was Smith. Here we have to map the email address. Here we have to map the phone number. So I'm adding the country code and after that the number. Here we have to map the address. So let us map it from Jotform submission and this was the address, and here we have to map the gender. So the gender was male. Okay, so we have mapped all the fields over here. Now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. It means the data is added to our Grist account. Let's check it. And here we can find the details of the customer, name as Adam Smith, email address, mobile number, address details, and the gender. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time whether our integration is working fine or not. For that we have to go to the form, that is Jotform once again, and we have to fill up the form on the name of some other customer. So let us give the customer name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number. Here we have to add the address. Let us give it as SP 15 in this town, Bhopal, and gender as female this time, and let's click on submit. Okay, thank you, your submission has been received. So the form has been filled. Now let us check our Grist table, and here we can find the details of the customer, name as Shikha Arya, email address, phone number, address, and the gender details. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine, and the Jotform leads data is getting added to the Grist table, and that too automatically. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using the details of the customer, automatically a new record was created into your Grist table, and in this way we have created a successful integration between Jotform and Grist using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.